Need to fix microphone not working on Roblox? Then here's a step-by-step process. Start by moving into the settings of your device. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then head over to Apps. In this page, you need to search for the application Roblox. Once you find the application, head over to it. So in this page, you should see the option of microphone. Make sure that the option is turned on. Once done, go back and head over to your App Store. In the App Store, search for Roblox. Click on this app. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're having the issue. So tap on update and update your app. So once you have got the updated version, the next thing you want to try doing is move into settings and then head over to general, move into iPhone storage. Search for the application Roblox and then move into it. Click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear all of the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Roblox. That's a wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.